Is your BMW 5 Series refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay or dropping the signal mid-drive? Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by temporary software conflicts on your phone. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by toggling your phone's wireless radios and performing a quick force restart to clear out any hung background processes. If that fails, remove your iPhone from the BMW iDrive menu and forget the BMW network in your phone settings before repairing. Sometimes the issue lies within the BMW system itself, specifically regarding outdated firmware or a corrupted user profile cache. Most users can resolve this at home, but persistent black screens or hardware errors may indicate a faulty communication module. As you can see, the vast majority of connectivity issues are solved simply through a device restart or a fresh pairing sequence. For a deeper reset, hold the iDrive volume knob down for 30 seconds until the system reboots itself. Keep a quality data cable handy and ensure you have your connected drive credentials ready for any necessary system updates. Remember, always check for software updates before assuming your BMW has a serious hardware failure. If you're still having trouble, let us know your specific model year in the comments below.